Beer and edamame are a match made in heaven. Today I'm going to show you how to turn plain old edamame into a flamin' hot snack. So stick around. Welcome back to No Recipes. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and I'm here to show you how to elevate your everyday meals. So smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss out. Edamame is a delicious, healthy snack that's loaded with protein and fiber. But at the end of the day, they're just soybeans. So today we're gonna be turning up the flavor and heat. Let's start off with our ingredients. I'm using 400 grams of cooked frozen edamame today, but check the link in the description below for how I prepare my fresh edamame. I'm also going to be using 2 large cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. To prep the garlic, I'm gonna start by whacking the heck out of it with the blade of my knife facing away from me and then removing the peel. You can also use anything heavy like a pot or a rolling pin. The idea here is to crush the cloves so that it comes out nice and chunky when we chop it up. Okay, that's not crushed quite as much as I'd like, so I'm gonna give it another whack to make sure it's good and smashed. Then we're gonna just roughly chop these up. The rough edges provide extra surface area for the garlic to brown, and I think it makes it stick better to the pods of the edamame as well. For the black pepper, I'm gonna toss it into a mortar and crack the peppercorns with a pestle. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can give them a few whirls in a food processor or blender. Or you can put them in a zipper bag and smash them up with something heavy. That's it for the prep, so let's get a frying pan over medium-high heat. When the pan's nice and hot, add the olive oil and the garlic. And we're gonna saute this until it starts to brown and it's super fragrant. Alright, the garlic's looking good and smelling great. So I'm gonna add in the edamame. If you're using frozen ones, make sure they're fully defrosted before you add them in. Then we just wanna heat the beans up while coating them in the fragrant garlic oil. Once they're mostly heated through, sprinkle on the crushed chili, the cracked peppercorns, and the salt. Now we just need to toss everything together until the edamame is piping hot and coated in all this fiery flavor. Okay, this is looking perfect, so let's get it plated up before the pods start turning brown. Piece of cake, right? The browned garlic, chili, and black pepper are ridiculously fragrant, and the olive oil helps distribute that flavor around every pod. Biting into one delivers a shot of salt and umami, followed by the warm afterglow of the peppers, which always gets my hand reaching into the bowl for another before I've even finished the first one. I used edamame today, but this method works for anything from green beans to snap peas to carrots. So give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know you want to see more like it by giving this a big thumbs up and by sharing it with all your friends who like it hot. As always, I want to thank my amazing patrons who helped to fund this video. If you're learning something new from my recipes, I hope you'll consider clicking the link up here to join the No Recipes crew and help support our future videos. Okay, I'm gonna go treat myself to some beer and edamame, but I'll catch you in the next one.